Jet planes in the night sky with you. Getting high.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that I'm finally able to get back to shooting videos. So for today's video, I've created this makeup look. I created this in the daytime, but अगर आप इसे रात के फंक्शन में या पार्टी के लिए करते हो तो ये और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, starting with skincare, I'm using Good Vibes Vitamin C and B3 facial oil to moisturize my face. I will massage this into my skin and relax for a bit. Then I'm using Vaseline lip balm to moisturize my lips. For primer, I'm using L'Oreal Base Magique Primer. My phone camera was not picking these products due to sunlight, I think. So I'll mention all the products in the description box. It is a thick primer, so I'm pressing this into my skin where I have pores, also to my nose, chin, and forehead to make it smooth. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade 128. एंड मैं एक ब्यूटी स्पॉन्ज ले रही हूँ एंड इसे मैं अपने पूरे फेस पे डॉट डॉट करके लगा लूँगी. Then I'll just start blending. This sponge tends to soak up a lot of product, that's why I've used a little extra foundation. I'm also taking it down to my neck and ears. इसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड करने के बाद आई एम यूजिंग स्विस ब्यूटी का कंसीलर एंड मैं इसे अपनी अंडर आई पर अप्लाई कर रही हूँ एंड ऑल्सो अराउंड द माउथ एरिया एंड वेयर आई थिंक आई हैव पिंपल मार्क्स. इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद अब बारी है ब्लेंडिंग की. तो कंसीलर के लिए यू डोंट हैव टू ड्रैग योर प्रोडक्ट, यू हैव टू जस्ट प्रेस इट एंड ब्लेंड इट देयर ओनली. It is a full coverage concealer. I have different foundation and concealers of Swiss Beauty. Comment down below if you want to see a comparison video or a full face of Swiss Beauty makeup. Now for highlighting, I'm using Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C5. इसे मैं अपने eyelid area पर लगा रही हूँ as eye base and to the bridge of my nose, chin and forehead. Then I'll just blend this. After that, I'm using Swiss Beauty blush and highlight palette and I'm taking this peachy shade and applying it onto my cheeks. As you can see, I'm applying this a little up so that it will uplift my face. Now I don't have any contour powder, so I'm taking this brown shade and using it to contour my face. Using this to my jawline to at least try to cut down my double chin. इसे मैं थोड़ा अपनी हेयरलाइन में भी लगा रही हूँ एंड देन बाय यूजिंग अ फ्लफी ब्रश आई विल जस्ट ब्लेंड इट एंड मेक इट सीमलेस. Then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 130 and I will set my face by specially focusing to the areas where I applied concealer. Eyelids पर लगाने से पहले I'll just remove the creases with my finger क्योंकि concealer वहाँ set हो जाता है. Then I'm using Nykaa Brow On Point Micro Fine Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Whiskin Wand. I don't know if that's how we pronounce this. पहले मैं स्पूली से इसे comb कर लूँगी and I will apply it where I think I have sparse areas. Then I will use the spoolie again to distribute the product evenly. After that, I'm using NYX Professional Tinted Brow Mascara to set my eyebrows in place. If you don't have thick eyebrows, you can use it as it is. Once it's set, I'm using Swiss Beauty makeup setting spray. I'll spritz it all over my face. It will lock your makeup and merge everything together and also soaks up the powderiness. While my face is still wet, I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. This is a great highlighter. It gives a really nice glow to your skin. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using W7 eyeshadow palette. I'm using this light brown shade and putting this onto my crease. Focusing on the outer V, I'm blending this inwards. Then I'm taking this darker shade and putting this a little lower than the previous shade and doing the same thing.
Jet planes in the night sky with you. Getting high in the sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with you.
Now I'm using a fluffy eye brush and blending both the colors and taking this a little high. Now using the same lighter shade, I'm blending the edges. Now I'm taking this black shade from a different eyeshadow palette because that didn't have black. I'm focusing this to the outer V and blending it. I'm taking a very little amount at a time and building this color slowly. You have to be extra careful with the dark colors as there's no going back at this stage. Now using a clean brush and blending it all together. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and with the help of this brush I'm putting this to my half eyelid. Now you can keep it as it is, but I'm going ahead and using this shimmery shade and applying this with my finger. Now I'm using this same light brown shade and applying to my under eye. Now taking this dark brown shade and focusing on the outer part and blending it with the crease to make it look complete. Now using this small pencil brush to highlight my inner corners and applying it again to glow a little extra. Then I'm using Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner and applying it very lightly to give a smudged eyeliner look. For mascara, I'm using W7 Showing Out Mascara. I'm not using fake eyelashes for this look, but you can totally go ahead and try. That would make this look 10 times better. To line my lips, I'm using ADS Pro Lip Liner. Shade I'll mention below. And then I'm using Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade 09 Mona Lisa. I applied Vaseline, so it's looking very glossy. That's why I'm using this cotton pad to make it matte. This is the complete makeup look.
Sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no, I do. And now
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting many fun looks and interesting videos, so stay tuned and take care. Bye.